Oh, here you go, Mike.
High Street. No. Don't open it yet. I gotta set the camera up. I'm gonna put the camera over here so I could be in the video. Is that all right?
Yeah.
Can I be in the video?
Oh, you want me to step back?
I'm gonna be in the video. All right. Because otherwise people are gonna yell at us, Alex. Four eyes. Handle is real. Ooh, look at this. See what those are? Those are bullets. 4A3221. Oh, they're empty. Let's set everything here to be in a good little video afterwards. This is a fine piece of black vinyl. What's that? Is that Native American? Be cool if it was Native American.
This is a nice Santa Claus mask.
Was this the pants? Ooh. Felt heavy for a second there. Like I was wondering what was going to walk out of there. This says Golden Thread outerwear, Brill Brothers. What have you got there?
Two bootsy pairs.
Here, show them like this. Go like this. Look, everybody. See that? It's a bootsy. What's this?
It was Santa Claus.
Santa's suit.
Oh, it's a freaking Santa suit. What do we got here? Oh, military love letters from like World War II, probably. The Announcers, Michael Harris, 1955. What do we got here? Some more spectacles. Easy.
What are you being easy for?
Because we'll get yelled at. Take the time to show the people so we can see what it is we got.
Papers?
Yeah, but there could be a very valuable paper in there, Michael. Four Seasons Hotel. Cliffhanger, looking back at 1981. That's kind of cool, almost, that was not.
Cement mixer.
Welcome, MC. The Anchor, military stuff.
Dominoes.
Marijuana pipe.
All you people that been like the Dominoes?
Uncle Michael gets camera shy, you see that? See how he didn't know what to say?
Well, I do want to say when people spend some time in jail, you know, put some Dominoes.
The French room. All these menus, old menus. Menus are hot. Normally that's where I would say that those are crap because they're only like $10 or $20, but when people get offended by that, so we're gonna call it great merchandise.
And I found $1.
Nice.
Look,
Sam's
$1.
Sweet, I found 500. RoboCop, dead or alive, you're coming with me.
Where's that Bilbo?
What's in here? Let up, Mike.
Michael Richardson. Oh, Erickson.
Little knife.
Yeah, I have to look at that. Santa suit.
Papers.
Copper cup.
Your
Committee of Vigilance, San Francisco.
certificates.
That's kind of cool. Ooh, and it's got an eye and it's some aluminum naughty stuff. Aluminum naughty. Check, baby. I don't want to check. Put the other one right back there and we'll stack the paper on it.
Put the what?
The other box right here. What's in there, Michael?
Papers.
Alright. Are they good papers? You want to look in them?
No.
What do we got here?
Glasses on and all that.
The war bring, in the war bring home the, can't even read the word. The French room, probably. What's that? Just screws?
Cartridges.
It's gold.
Gold.
No, it's not.
Each one is gold.
It'd be nice. Look them up.
Zip on.
Get a serious
Make
Santa
some glass
suit.
repair to it.
Go down. Let's focus on this one. We're not going to film it very well. We're teaching him to film, guys. One gold ring.
A few gold rings.
You know. Well, I guess that one
That's
kind of
gold.
gold. Please, Lord. If that's a Rolex there, I love you. I love you anyway, Lord. I'm just saying. No, bend this.
Is that gold?
Yes.
This one looks like gold.
Yeah, that is gold.
Yeah, a couple silver coins there. A little bit of something. This one's
Take
gonna
the gold out, you leave it in there.
Leaving it in there. That one's not gold.
This is gold. It says 14 karat. Plated.
So where else you put this?
See that?
Paperwork. Mr. and Mrs. Erickson. I know. Alright. I think that's it out of this trunk. So this trunk right here came out of that unit we bought for what, 500? What was that, 500? 525 for 75?
A million.
Little trinkets everywhere, all sorts of little pin, so forth. Piece of cork board.
Yeah, it is.
Old fishing knife. Box of bullets. There's a bunch of watch screws in there. This was the coolest little belt buckle I found in there.
I found that too.
Alex found it too. We all found it at the same time, pretty much. We're gonna need to look that up, actually.
Oh, we just need to have a seat.
And we got a Belova watch. Go look that up. Waterproof. Over here we got a Benrus watch. We got one broken ring of gold and one missing stone of gold. And a couple silver coins. Okay guys, I'll wrap up the trunk all by myself and put everything back in nice and kindly. You guys go ahead and take 5.
Alright, thanks. We appreciate it.
I know you had a rough day, both of you.
Yeah, thanks.
Rough day of standing there.
Yeah. We appreciate it.
You do appreciate it? Sometimes I feel like you don't appreciate it. I don't feel appreciated.
That's a lot of appreciation.
Almost forgot these
Hot
two
dog.
wonderful leather vests came out of there too. They're pretty cool vintage. This is the stuff that's hot in the streets right now. As well, we're gonna go through a few records here, because why not? Who's that, Alex?
That's when the Beatles broke up. He's the fetal.
Santana, there's an $8 to $12 record.
That was Santana?
Yes, that was Santana.
That's why I was being on the market. Carpet ride.
Oh, that's $5.
Nope. Barbara Streisand, good luck selling that.
Jackie
$3.
Wilson.
Nope. Nope.
Oh, that's $20 right there.
It's almost like Dan's here because you're just calling out stuff that don't even make sense. Papa's and the Mamas.
Mamas and the Papas. Oh, that's a nice one right there.
Pablo.
Yeah. Oh, Elvis, that's $20. What is that? Oh, that's a 4-disc one. Yep, all 4 in there.
4 discs means there's 2 records, 2 sides or something.
That's $80 right there. Jimmy Reed, whoa, are you serious?
Carpenters.
That's a $20 record right there. $2, 50 cents if we're lucky. $4. Johnny Cash, San Quentin.
Yeah.
$8. Oh, you know what I was talking about?
Bruce Springsteen? Nope. Who?
Who's
For
greatest
10.
hits? That's about. I'll say we get 12.
Good luck with that. You don't even have to sell a record. Try
Yeah,
grading
man.
it.
What's this? Elvis. That's back in Memphis. That's a good one. Ooh. Oh man.
Elton John, that's actually worth $10.
Exactly. You think I just pulled that out for nothing? I know what I'm doing.
And the guy to the Vita.
That Prince? No.
I wonder if people are gonna be mad at you. Cross the line for me.
You go and be.
I got 14,636.
14,757.
Oh, he beat me by what?
Again.
70 steps.
Hey,
The
yeah,
day's
killing
not
the whole
over.
month. I'm killing the whole month. In my hand.
I should go pick my lawnmower up, huh?